Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by picking a clear niche and defining your target audience precisely. Research keywords and topics for 30 videos as your initial content batch. Plan each video to be 3 to 4 minutes long for consistent viewer retention. Allocate a budget of about $0 monthly for tools like TTS, stock clips, and editing software. Choose a single voice synthesis and a repeatable video template to speed production. Confirm licensing for stock footage and music before publishing any video. Create a tight script for each video and keep sentences direct and clear. Convert scripts to voice using reliable TTS to ensure consistent narration across videos. Assemble footage using templates and license stock clips at 1080p resolution with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Render videos at 24 FPS and export separate SRT caption files for accessibility and SEO. Batch tasks by writing, recording, and editing in blocks to render 2 to 3 videos per day efficiently. Publish on a predictable schedule, aiming for 3 uploads weekly to build audience habit. Write descriptions of 200+ words and use 10 to 15 tags for better discoverability. Create custom thumbnails sized 1280 x 720 with clear text and a compelling image. Repurpose long videos into 30 to 60-second shorts to expand reach across platforms. Consider outsourcing editing at around $15 per video to accelerate growth. Monitor CTR and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.